everyone, it's Karina and welcome back to the channel. I wasn't going to do a video on this today, but I thought I would because how many people, when they receive food from the food pantry, if they receive something already cooked like these wings or this chicken, would just maybe heat it up in the microwave and eat it like that. So what I'm going to do is show you how it can actually be a full meal and you don't have to short yourself on an actual meal. So what I'm going to be doing is taking this chicken, and this is stuff we received in the food pantry haul that I posted this morning. And I said in that video I was just going to put this chicken in tin foil with some butter, salt and pepper and throw it in the oven. And then that's exactly what I'm going to do. And then these wings, I'm going to be using this Frank's Red Hot sauce. And Glenn likes hot wings. He loves hot wings. So I'm going to be putting the wings in the hot sauce and putting them in the oven. And I think I might leave them uncovered so maybe they get a little crispy. He likes that crispy skin on hot wings. So let's see how that turns out. And this is also going to be about using leftover stuff in your refrigerator so you don't throw it away. So the other night, Glenn had some green beans with his supper, and we have some left over. So we don't want to throw them away. So I'm going to use them and rewarm them. And he could either have just the green beans, or I can mix the green beans with a can of corn for mixed vegetables. Either way, it doesn't matter as long as it gets used. So I'm going to make some mashed potatoes, okay? So I'm not going to make instant potatoes. Sometimes we just like to have actual mashed potatoes. So these potatoes we received at the food pantry, and so I'm going to use them and make some actual mashed potatoes, and that will actually give us a full meal. So, all right, so stay tuned. I'm going to get started on the potatoes, and then I'll be right back. All right, folks, so my potatoes are almost done. They're about halfway there. So now I'm going to get the chicken in the oven. All right, I don't want to leave the chicken uncovered because it'll dry out. So this is basically what I do when we have cooked chicken already that we need to warm up. I just put some tin foil in a casserole dish, and then I place my chicken in there. I just put some butter over the chicken and then salt and pepper it, and then I'll cover it up. So I never said this was a healthy channel, so if you don't like all that stuff, please don't watch. So we are butter people. All right, so I'm going to wrap this up, get it in the oven, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do to the wings. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so one step I didn't tell you about on the wings is Glenn likes hot wings. So again, I'm using this Frank's Red Hot sauce. So what I'm going to do is I've already put the chicken in just a little sandwich baggie. There's only 3 pieces, so I don't need a huge bag. And I'm going to dump some hot sauce in the baggie and shake it up. And that's all I'm doing to get all the hot sauce all over the wings. You see how the bag is getting red? So, see if I got enough in there. I think I might need a little bit more. Oops, that popped open. Don't want all the hot sauce coming out. All right, I think we're set. So all I'm going to do, again, I just lined another casserole dish with tin foil. And I'm going to just throw the hot wings in there. Looks like they've got some redness to them. You can see the hot sauce. So hopefully it turns out good. But these are just ideas. on what to do with your pantry food that's already cooked and how to warm them up. Okay, I'm not sure I want to cover this completely because the skin will get all soggy. And just see if I'm going to leave it open some so that the skin stays a little crispy. I think I'm just going to do that. And we'll see how that comes out. Hopefully it comes out good. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to keep the chicken and the wings in the oven for about a half hour. And then I'll get back to you when they come out. Okay folks, so there it is. Supper is done. You have your 3 hot wings right there. I gave him a little bit of the breast. We split the breast because it was pretty big. And then he likes the drumsticks and I eat the thighs. So I just mixed up his leftover green beans with some corn. Got some actual smashed potatoes or mashed potatoes. And supper is full. So an entire supper made out of pantry food given that was already cooked. So, alright, I hope you enjoyed this short video just giving you ideas of what to do with your already cooked pantry food and some of your leftover foods in the refrigerator. So, alright, have a good night, have a great weekend. It is Friday the 13th, so remember to live life, be good to yourself, and be good to others. Until next time.